Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled with keeping track of what you owe your vendors in QuickBooks, today's video is going to be a lifesaver. We're diving into how to run an Aged Payables Report, a simple but powerful tool that helps you stay on top of your outstanding bills and avoid late payment headaches. So let's get right into it. First, make sure you're signed in to your QuickBooks account. From the left-hand navigation menu, click on Reports. Once you're in the Reports section, scroll down until you see the category called What You Owe. This section is all about vendor bills and unpaid obligations. Here, select Accounts Payable Aging Summary. And just like that, QuickBooks will generate your Aged Payables report. This report shows a list of all your vendors along with the amounts you owe them, neatly broken down into time frames such as current, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, and beyond. It gives you a clear picture of which bills are due soon and which ones are already overdue. But here's where it gets even better. You can customize the report to fit your needs. At the top of the screen, you'll find several options. Report period. You can select the specific date to show what your outstanding bills looked like at that exact point in time. Show non-zero or active only. This option helps keep your report clean by removing rows or columns with zero balances. Aging method. Choose whether to base the aging on the report date you entered or on today's current date. Days per aging period. Adjust the intervals. So instead of the default 30, 60, 90 days, you could make it 15, 30, 45, depending on how detailed you want it. Number of periods. Decide how many columns you want displayed in your report. And if you need even more control, hit the Customize button. This allows you to change formatting, add headers or footers, or filter by specific vendors if you only want to focus on certain accounts. Once your report is set up exactly how you want it, you have a few next steps available. You can email it as a PDF to your team, print it for your records, export it to Excel for deeper analysis, or even save your customized report so you can run it again in the future with just one click. And that's it. You've successfully created and customized an Aged Payables report in QuickBooks. This report is one of the best ways to stay organized, avoid late fees, and keep your vendor relationships strong. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to like this video, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips that make managing your business finances easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.